How to log in to Netflix on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can log in to Netflix on our phone, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you wish to log into Netflix app on phone, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Netflix application on your device, but make sure you've downloaded them from Play Store or App Store. Now if you do not yet have an account, you can tap on Get Started to go about following the instructions and creating a new account. But if you already have an account, tap on the Sign In button located at the top right hand side. Then just go about entering your email address. Once you enter your email or phone number, on the next tab go ahead and then enter your password. And once you enter your password, you can tap the sign in button and you will be successfully signed in. Now, if case you forgot your password, you can tap the forgot password button here. It will send a link or a code to your email address. And once you verify it, you will be able to reset it as well. This way you can log into Netflix on phone. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.